Stop saying do in professional English. If you want to sound more serious and business level, say this instead. Implement. Welcome to Vocabulary Engine, one powerful English word every day to improve your vocabulary and help you speak confidently. Today's word is implement. Implement means to put a plan into action. It's commonly used in business, management, and strategy. When you say implement, it sounds structured and professional, not just casual. Implement. Repeat after me. Implement. The company implemented a new policy. That means they officially started using the new policy. We implemented a new strategy. This sounds much more professional than just saying, we did a strategy. They implemented changes to improve efficiency. It means they officially put the changes into action. In a meeting you can say, we need to implement this plan immediately. This sounds decisive, professional, and leadership level. Be careful, don't use implement for simple daily tasks. Wrong. I implemented my homework. Correct. I did my homework. Implement is mostly used for plans, systems, policies, and strategies. Let's review. Implement means to officially put a plan into action, especially in business or professional situations. Now write your own sentence using implement in the comments. Subscribe to Vocabulary Engine and improve your English one word at a time. See you tomorrow.